Here is a list of the equipment you are going to need throughout this experiment. Boiling tubes so that you can make your elastic bands using latex rubber. Some 100 gram masses for testing the elasticity of your bands. Vinegar, lemon juice and latex rubber to make and cure your bands. Some yogurt pots to actually hold these liquids so that you don't contaminate the bottles. A micrometer to actually be able to measure the diameter of your elastic bands.
Silver screen and all its sad goodbye. I'm never gonna dance again. Guilty feet have got no rhythm, but it's easy to pretend. I know you're not a fool. You should have known better than to cheat a friend.
Okay, tell me when. Give me a count.
Oh, you touch my tra-la-la. My ding-ding-dong. My tra-la-la.
Here is a video of me using a micrometer to measure an elastic band. You might notice that I don't tighten the micrometer enough to damage the elastic band because that would end up affecting our results. Naturally, we do not want to do this. Here, I'm going to be talking you through the first step of our practical. As you can see, here I'm getting 100 gram mass and I'm hanging it by the elastic band. I then grab a ruler and go ahead and measure the extension. Once I have this value, I will go ahead and note this down in a table so that I don't forget it later. Here is some footage of me actually plotting the results for our table. This is what your graph at the end should look like. Thank you for watching our video on the investigation of the force extension relationship for rubber. The end.